Hello, my wonderful friends. This is Ola, and today we're going to study together Unit 12, words that end with ing. And as we know, we have three different lists of words. We have lemon, melon, and honeydew. Our lemon list consists of the words best, better, school, home, no. Healthy foods are the best source of minerals. My life can be much better if I develop my skills. I love my school. Home is where the heart belongs. I know how to take care of my dog. Our list of words in the melon group are swinging, catching, jumping. Swinging is my favorite activity in the playground. Catching butterflies is not a good act. We miss jumping during the morning line activity. Words in the honeydew list are eating, kicking, playing, pulling. Eating healthy food is important to stay strong and healthy. I enjoy kicking the ball. I enjoy playing with my friends. Horses are pulling the cart firmly. Oh, my friends, I'm so happy you enjoyed today's video. See you in our upcoming video.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.